So today our topic is sequence. What is sequence? Sequence, you can say you can relate it to ostinato, which we have learned in grade one. They both are same, but the only difference between them is that ostinato you write in a same pitch, right? You repeat the pattern in the same pitch, but whereas in sequence you have to change the pitch. Either you go high or you go low. That is the only difference you have between ostinato and your sequence. So let's just, you can see in this example, read it also in this example, it's the same thing what I'm just telling you. So let's just straight away go to this exercises and we'll see what is the difference. So you can see here, you can see an example, there's a pattern of rhythm. You can see the tune which is same, but just the pitch has been changed, it is going higher. Okay, and by this bracket you show the pattern. Okay, so let's do the next exercise. So what we have to do, we have to write a bracket above each step of the sequence. So wherever we see each step of sequence, we have to bracket them. So this one is easy, we'll do it quickly, so then we can move on to the next page or next sequence. So just take care of this, we'll take it quickly. So we just make the brackets. Okay, next we have, you can say right now all the patterns you see is in each bar. Sometimes there are 2-bar patterns that you will see sooner. I will explain that to you. You can go same pattern, it's going here. Now in the last one you see this is not only a single bar pattern, it's a double bar pattern. So this is the pattern, not only this. So we have to repeat this whole pattern. So we have to put the bracket above these 2 bars. So bar 1 and bar 2 are the pattern together. Okay. So let's make for all of them. Okay, so now let's move to the next page and see some more exercises. So now in page 2 we see here is a section of a tone. Make a sequence by repeating it twice, 1 note higher each time. So we have to make the sequence this time again, but only time what we have to do, we have to make it twice, repeat it twice, and same time we have to change the pitch. So we have to write it in a higher pitch now. So let's start. We can see this whole pattern, and this is a 2-bar pattern. So let's just do that. We start from here. You can see the first note, so we go higher 1 note. Here we go higher 1 note, make it higher, and we make it higher. Then we put a bar line here. Then we make this minim note here, then 1 bar. Then we go more higher, higher. Then again a bar, and the minim note goes higher, and we finish with the end bar line. Now we put stem, so we make it this way. Here you can go up, down, anywhere. Let's go up. Here again you have to go up only because this is the far, no, this one is the farthest one, so let's make it towards the downside. So make it down. We're making it down because this from the center, this note is the farthest one, so that's why this is the closest, not that far. Okay, this one comes down. Yes, now the next one you see, again you have to go higher. So let's make it higher. We go up 1 note higher, higher. Then this is in single bar note, so it goes 1 minim. Let's make a bar. Then we repeat it, go higher, 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 and 1 minim, and finish with the end bar. Now here we're gonna go up because this one is, let's go up, from here this one will go down. This one we can go up, down, anywhere. Okay, so we finish here this one. Now let's do the third one. Next one is again a 2-bar rhythm. You can see there's a 2-bar rhythm, so let's make it higher. We go high and high. Let's make a bar. Then we go high, then make a bar, make a N bar. Now we have to make it down, down. This one we make it down. This is down. Okay, so here we finish the sequence, changing the pitch in a higher. So now we have to do the next question. Here is a section of tone. Make a sequence by repeating it twice, one note lower each time. So this time we have to repeat again it twice, but now this time we have to put the change the pitch in a lower way. So we have to go downwards, one note. So let's start. You can see this again a 2-bar sequence. We'll start from here. So let's move down to this sequence, then a bar line. Then we go here, then we have 2 crochet rest, then a bar, again we move down, then a bar, and then 1, and then 2 crochet rest, then finish with the N bar. Now this time we are going down, down, down. Here also we're going down and down. Now this is a dotted crochet note, so we have to put a dot. Okay, so now let's move to the next one. Next one, you can see it's a 1-bar repetition sequence. We have to repeat it again. We have to move lower, this is a dotted, and lower. Let's put a bar, then we have to go one more note low, dot and low, and then finish with the N bar. And here we go down, down, go up, we go up, we can go down and go up. Okay, so here we finish this one. Now let's do the last one. It's a 3-minute beat pattern. We have to repeat it and moving down. So we go down minim, down and down, a bar line, then down and down and down. Let's do it. Finish with the N bar. Let's make the stems. So here we finish this topic sequence. Now I'll see you in the next topic. Till then, thank you.